This is the perfect keyboard for everyone who loves RGB. But everybody likes RGB, right? Let me explain. SPC GK630K Tournament Kailh Brown RGB is the compact mechanical keyboard for gamers without a numeric block. Thanks to its small size and detachable cable, it will be perfect for home, everyday use and gaming. It was equipped by PBT keycaps made in the double injection technology. The keyboard, thanks to the aluminum reinforcement of the top, is extremely durable and stiff. This ensures comfort even during long season. Brown switches is a sweet spot in my opinion, good for writing, video editing and of course gaming. Multicolored RGB backlight allows you to customize the appearance of the keyboard to your liking. 18 predefined lighting effects provide the great configuration possibilities, from the static single color effect to changing colors of the rainbow to responsive backlight activated with a keystroke. But it's not all. The SPC software allows you to customize each effect and change them in any way you want. The backlight itself is also a functional addition, improving the visibility of the keys both during the days and the night. Double feet allow you to position the keyboard in the different height according to your preference. The detachable cable with the specially prepared channels on the bottom of the keyboard. Thanks to this, it is possible to arrange the cable in one of the three positions. After installing the SPC software, you get the access to many very useful keyboard functions. It is possible to set the type of lighting, its color from RGB palette, the operation mode of many effects, and also create your own profile. In addition, the advanced macro wizard allows you to quickly write your own complicated commands and assign them to the single key. The great advance of the SPC app, modern design and ease of use. This video is not sponsored by SPC, but I really like this keyboard. Maybe you like it too. If you're buying one, consider buying. This might be helpful. So if you like my video, give me thumbs up for the algorithm, and if you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel for more video like this. So that's all. See you on the next video.